Oh, so there's all the garlic just there. I've been pulling. Just go down to the yard. Keep it like this because it's still raining. Oh dear, dear. I'll get the cool cooler too. Look at all that water in there already. Cool. There's the garlic that I've just been pulling. See? Look at that. Eh? Not bad, eh? Good old garlic. A couple of years ago I was doing the Camino. The other Camino, not the main one, the one up from Valencia. And went to a place and all they had was garlic everywhere, and it was the season. Well, I think it was the time of year when they picked it all. I think it must have been in November or December. I'm not sure when they pick it, but look at all that. And it was Spain, so cool. That's all the pumpkin-y pumpkins, tomato plants obviously, onions. Oh, I missed it. Little tiny animal running around in there. Oh. Strawberries. Cool, eh? Nice one. You can come out this way. There's his car. There's bamboo over there. Cool, great garden. Got everything. And today also, this morning, I did all that weeding. Just had loads and loads. See all this been cut away? I cut all this away. This was all weeds in here. This is all raspberries. See how raspberries grow? And see, all that vegetation there, all that cut vegetation came from in here. So, quite a productive day.